Good morning, students. From Standard 6 English Medium, Unit 5, there is a poem. The title of the poem means the name of the poem is Where Do All the Teachers Go? And written by Peter Dixon. Now, what is this poem talked about? It talked about the teachers. And I am going to tell you the story of the poem. So listen it carefully. What does the poet, the Peter Dixon, says? Here in this poem, the Peter Dixon says that the child poet wonders what his teachers are like. It is difficult for him to think that his teachers are ordinary persons living like common people. So, he wonders where the teachers go at 4 o'clock after the school. Do they live in ordinary houses doing the petty jobs like washing and cleaning? The child poet wants to know if these teachers were also born like ordinary children and were bad as children often are. He wonders if they also made mistakes in spellings and were punished. The teachers seem to be very perfect. The child thinks that perhaps these teachers never lost their books as he does, or wore unclean clothes like some children. He intends to follow one of his teachers someday when the teachers go home and find out the truth. He will then write it in a poem which the teachers can read out to other children in the class. So, students, this is the story of the poem. I hope you understand. And the same story is said by me in Hindi also. So, listen it carefully. So, in this poem, तो ये जो कविता है, तो इस काव्य में जो बाल कवि है वो सोचते हैं कि पता नहीं उसके अध्यापक किस प्रकार के व्यक्ति है। यह सोचना उसके लिए कठिन है कि उसके अध्यापक साधारण व्यक्ति है और आम आदमियों की तरह ही रहते हैं। इसलिए वह चकित है कि पता नहीं स्कूल की छुट्टी होने पर 4 बजे अध्यापक कहाँ जाते हैं। क्या वे भी साधारण घरों में रहते हुए कपड़े धोने और घर की सफाई जैसे काम करते हैं? बाल कवि जानना चाहते हैं कि क्या उसके अध्यापक भी सामान्य बच्चों की तरह पैदा हुए थे और क्या वे भी बचपन में बुरे कहे जाते थे जैसा कि बच्चों को अक्सर कहा जाता है। वह चकित होकर सोचता है कि क्या वे भी स्पेलिंग की गलती करते थे और सजा पाते थे। अध्यापक बहुत ही त्रुटिहीन दिखते हैं। बाल कवि सोचते हैं कि शायद न तो उन्होंने कभी अपनी पुस्तकें खोई होगी जैसे कि वह खो देता है और न ही कभी उन्होंने अन्य कुछ बच्चों की तरह गंदे कपड़े पहने होंगे। उसका इरादा है कि किसी दिन अपने घर जाते हुए वह किसी अध्यापक का पीछा करे और सच्चाई का पता लगाए। फिर वह अपने अनुभव को एक कविता में लिखेगा जिसे उसके अध्यापक अपनी कक्षाओं में दूसरे बच्चों को पढ़कर सुना सकेंगे। So, students, This is the story of the poem. Now I explain the poem through the stanza. So the poet says in the first stanza, what does the poet say? Let's see. The first stanza says, where do all the teachers go when it's 4 o'clock? Do they live in houses and do they wash their socks? Here in this stanza there is a word which socks. Socks means moje. So in this stanza the poet says, what? Where do the teachers go when it's 4 o'clock? Where do the teachers go when it's 4 o'clock? Do they live like ordinary people in houses? Do they wash their socks? So in the first stanza the poet क्या सोचे कि जब 4 बजते हैं तब सारे अध्यापक कहाँ जाते हैं? क्या वे घरों में रहते हैं और अपनी जुराबों को धोते हैं? ऐसा पोएट सोचते हैं. In the second stanza, let's see what the poet said. Do they wear pajamas and do they watch TV? And do they pick their noses the same as you and me? So what does the poet say? Do they also wear pajamas and watch TV? Do they pick their noses like you and me? Who? They means the teachers. So in the second stanza poet क्या कहते हैं कि क्या वे पैजामा पहनते हैं और क्या वे टीवी देखते हैं? क्या वे भी मेरी और तुम्हारी तरह नाक में उंगली डालते हैं? पिक द नोज, नाक में उंगली डालना होता है. क्या वो भी मेरी और तुम्हारी तरह नाक में उंगली डालते हैं? ऐसा पोएट सेकेंड स्टांजा में कहते हैं. नाउ कम्स टू द थर्ड. Do they live with other people? Have they moms and dads? And were they ever children? And were they ever bad? So in the third stanza, poet क्या कहते हैं कि have they parents? Were they ever children? And were they ever bad? Means consider bad. So poet in this stanza, poet क्या कहते हैं कि डू दे लिव विथ अदर पीपल? क्या वे अन्य लोगों की तरह रहते हैं? क्या उनके माता पिता है? क्या वे कभी बालक थे और क्या उन्होंने कभी कोई बुरा काम किया? तो ये पोएट सोचते हैं थर्ड स्टांजा में. फोर्थ स्टांजा. In this stanza, let's see what the poet says. Did they ever never spell right? Did they ever make mistakes? Were they punished in the corner if they pinch the chocolate flakes? So in this stanza there is a word spell, means write the spelling. Okay, and in the side in the stanza it's a word this which pinched means squeezed, nochna, and the word flax means pieces, tukde. Okay, so in this stanza the poet says, क्या कहते हैं पोएट? डिड दे एवर नेवर स्पेल्ड राइट, डिड दे एवर मेक मिस्टेक. कि क्या कभी उन्होंने शब्दों के हिज्जे गलत लिखे, वर्ड्स गलत लिखे? क्या उन्होंने कभी गलतियाँ की? क्या कभी चॉकलेट खाने पर उन्हें कोने में खड़े रहने की सज़ा मिली? द पोएट थॉट दैट. व्हाट द पोएट थॉट? एवर ही हैड मेड मिस्टेक्स. and if they eat the chocolate, he had ever got punishment from the teacher and standing in the corner. So in this stanza the poet says. The next stanza, did they ever lose their hymn books? Did they ever leave their greens? Did they scribble on the desktops? Did they wear old dirty jeans? So, in this stanza, the poet says here, talk about hymn books, means the books of prayer. Then the word here, the scribbles. Scribbles means here in this poem, the scribble means write. Okay, and here also talk about the greens. Greens means green vegetables. Okay, so poet क्या कहते हैं, did they ever lose their hymn books? क्या उनके द्वारा कभी भजनों की किताबें खोई गई? क्या उन्होंने कभी हरी सब्जी प्लेट में छोड़ी? क्या उन्होंने कभी डेस्क के ऊपर लिखा? ऐसा पोएट कहते हैं. क्या उन्होंने कभी गंदी जीन्स पहनी? तो पोएट क्या कहते हैं इन दिस स्टांजा, द पोएट सेज कि इफ दे एवर लूज देयर हिम्न बुक्स इन द स्कूल क्लास, they ever did leave the green vegetables in the plate, did they scribble on the desktop? He had ever done means write on the desk. Did they ever wear old and dirty jeans? So in this stanza the poet says, let's see the last one. Okay, I'll follow one back home today. I'll find out what they do. Then I'll put it in a poem that they can read to you. So in this stanza, the poet, the author, he said, I have decided to follow one of the teachers when he goes back home. I'll find out what they do there. I'll write it in a poem which the teachers can read to you, means their students. So poet क्या करने वाले हैं कि आज मैं उनमें से एक के पीछे पीछे उसके घर तक जाऊंगा, मैं पता लगाऊंगा कि वे क्या करते हैं, फिर मैं उसे कविता में मीन्स कविता के रूप में लिखूंगा जिससे वे तुम्हें पढ़कर सुना सकते हैं. तो पोएट कहते हैं इस इन स्टांजा में कि घर तक जाने की बात करते हैं. So this is the explanation of the poem, Unit 5. The poem name is Where Do All the Teachers Go, written by Peter Dixon. I hope you understand this poem. Thank you for that. And thank you for hearing me.